All right, what's up, y'all? So this is the new cage. This is a 75-gallon. He came from a 20. Yeah, the cage was too small for him. We understood that real fast. He understood that when he bought it. We're gonna put some salt water. We're gonna put an octopus in the 10-gallon, and then maybe in the 20-gallon we might put like a mantis shrimp. You know, so those will be salt water, some coral or something too. But yeah, so this is the 75-gallon. He's got that log to go through right there. You know, his den, I guess, is, I see his den now. All right. If you see that little hole right there, that's where he's in there. The mouse, that skull, that's like his little crib. He keeps trying to move around, and he's like a landscaper. The mouse is, I realized that. I don't know where he went, but yeah, definitely got the right lamp. Just got the right setup, you know what I'm saying? Everything's what it's supposed to be in there now, you guys. So you can act, you know, now you don't gotta act like we're torturing the snake. You know, look how big that is, you know? So yeah, we gave him what he needed. It was $600, but you gotta spend, if you really care about things, you gotta spend on it, you know? So that's how that is. It's not mine though, this is my boy's, but still I gotta. So I don't know, tell me what y'all think. I know we need to cover the sides and give him that backdrop. My homie from Vegas told me, my homie Vernon, good looking out Vernon. Shout out to my boy Vernon. When I was out there, he showed me his, I just totally forgot about it. But yeah, so how does that look, bro? You tell me. But yeah, y'all, that's, you know, I'll get another video when he comes out. He's more nocturnal. All right, you guys, I'm done.